Date back to. Date back to. Philosopher. Philosopher. Peaceful. Peaceful. Create. Create. Protect. Protect. Temple. Temple. Dedicate. Dedicate. Sailor. Sailor. Trader. Trader. Field. Field. Raise. Raise. Rule. Rule. Palace. Palace. Fountain. Fountain. Earthquake. Earthquake. Disappear. Disappear. Survive. Survive. Empire. Empire. Sink. Sink. Destroy. Destroy.
The Lost Island of Atlantis. The myth of Atlantis dates back to 355 BC. In his book Timaeus, Plato, a Greek philosopher, wrote about an island in the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantis was a peaceful and rich country. Poseidon, the Greek god of the sea, created and protected it. The capital city. The capital city of Atlantis was amazing. In the center, there was a temple dedicated to Poseidon. Inside the temple stood a gold statue of Poseidon driving 6 horses. The people. The people were very rich. They were mostly sailors and traders. They had large ships and sailed all around the world. Some people were farmers and worked in the fields. They also raised cows and sheep. The kings. The kings who ruled the island lived in beautiful palaces. Their walls were covered in gold and silver. There were also lovely statues, paintings, and fountains in the palaces. The earthquake. People lived happily until one day, a terrible earthquake happened. The island disappeared into the ocean. Only a few people survived to tell the story of the great empire. Did Atlantis exist? There are many theories about where Atlantis was. It was either near the Azores or in the Mediterranean Sea near Sardinia, Crete, Malta, or Santorini. It seems that the area between Santorini and Crete in Greece is the most probable. Many people believe Atlantis sank at the same time the great earthquake destroyed the island of Santorini.
Who was Plato?
A philosopher. Where was he from?
He was from ancient Greece. What is Timaeus?
A book by Plato. Where was Atlantis?
In the Atlantic Ocean. Who created it?
The Greek god of the sea, Poseidon. What was the capital city like?
It was amazing. It had a temple in the center. Inside the temple was a gold statue of Poseidon. What were the people like?
They were rich. They were sailors, traders, and farmers. What did they raise?
Cows and sheep. Who ruled the island?
The kings. What was in their palaces?
Statues, paintings, and fountains. How did the island disappear?
An earthquake destroyed it. Where could Atlantis be?
Near the Azores or in the Mediterranean Sea.
Poseidon, the Greek god of the sea, created and protected Atlantis. The people who lived there were rich sailors who sailed all around the world. There were also farmers there who worked in the fields. They raised cows and sheep. The kings who ruled Atlantis lived in beautiful palaces. No one knows what happened, but the island disappeared into the ocean. Only a few people survived. Some people think Atlantis is between Santorini and Crete, and that it sank at the same time as an earthquake destroyed Santorini.
The Greek god Poseidon created Atlantis. It was a rich place with palaces of gold and silver. The people who lived there were rich sailors and traders. There are many places it could be, such as Malta or Santorini, but no one knows.
Last Monday I started my day early and looked after the cows and the sheep. The weather was good, and so I worked in the fields. Later that day, I went to the city and visited the temple of Poseidon. It was a good day,